Ever wondered what would happen to your Facebook account if you were to pass away with memorialization and legacy settings? You can choose how you want your account handled and who you want to have access to it if what were to happen. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up memorialization setting on Facebook. Now let's get started. To Bing, open Facebook and tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Then scroll down to the bottom and select Setting and Privacy. Now tap Settings. Scroll down and select Account Ownership and Control. Then tap Memorialization Setting. Here you will be able to choose what you want to happen to your Facebook profile if you pass away. You can either select a legacy contract to allow your page to be memorialized as a way for your friends and family to remember you, or you can choose to have your account permanently deleted once Facebook has been alerted of your passing. In order to allow a close friend or family member to manage your profile for you in the event that happens, tap Choose Legacy Contract. You will then see more information about this contract will be able to do with your account. They will be able to manage your account but will not be able to access your private messages. Tap Next to move on. Now type in the name of your Facebook friend you want to choose as your legacy contract. When they appear in the search results, tap their name to select them. To let this person know that you've chosen them as your legacy contract, tap Send. Your legacy contract will then be saved. If you would like your legacy contract to be able to download a copy of your Facebook data including all of your posts and photos, tap Data Archive Permission. Select Yes Allow. Then tap Save. If you even change your mind about who you have set as your legacy contract, you can tap Remove to delete this person as your legacy contract. If you don't want your page memorized and would prefer that your page be deleted after you pass away, scroll down and tap Delete After Death. Then select Yes Delete After Death. Tap Save. Then tap Confirm. If you like to let a friend know that you've chosen to have your page deleted when you die, tap Choose a Friend to pick someone. If not, tap Skip. Your setting will then be saved. If you have select Delete After Death, one of your close friends or family members will need to notify Facebook for you passing in order for the deletion process to be carried out. If you have selected a legacy contract, that person would be able to access and manage your profile on your behalf, and they would have the option to delete your page for you. Although it may seem a grim subject, we suggested one using Facebook to set up their memorialization settings so that their wishes may be respected if they were to pass away unexpectedly. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.